Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Toyota Verso. The first thing we have to do is go to settings and to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is switched on, and then we're watching out below. On the actual unit, you've got setup here, click setup, and then you've got general Bluetooth and telephone. Now, it's tempting to go for telephone, but that's the wrong one. We need to go to Bluetooth and then connect telephone. You've got add new there, add new. It's already picked up car multimedia here. So click on there. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. That's it. That's it done.